Hello, welcome to the another lecture of a data science series. In this lecture, I will cover the questions of our first internal test solutions. Uh, Now, starting with our first question, discuss the specific method or technologies that facilitates the process. The process we have given that given the following complaint describe the approach, algorithm, a process for identifying IPC or BNS section. uh, we have to describe here what approach we can apply in this type of a complaint. The complaint we have given is theft of my phone by unknown person at MG Road on uh, 2023 220. On this date, the phone was stolen when I was shopping. The theft was wearing a black jacket and a scar on his face. Here, some we have given some information that when a person was shopping at store, his phone was theft, and about the theft, the information is given that he is wearing a black jacket, and he has a scar on his face. So, firstly, to apply any algorithm or any process on the problem, we firstly need to understand basically what is the main problem. The problem statement here we can analyze that in the legal system, reading through the FIR first information reports to identify the correct IPC or the BNS section can be a slow or complex process. Legal professional and a law enforcement often needs to manually analyze this report, which can lead to delay and error. Whenever a human involvement is there in anything, there may be chances of human error. The goal is to create an AI system that can quickly and accurately identify the relevant legal sections from an FIR along with the associated punishment. This will help and save time, reduce error, and ensure consistency in legal interpretation. So, the basically regarding this problem, we need to make an a system which can perform a task of analyzing the reports and generating the a particular IPCBNS section for the complaint. We have already read that the problem statement, what the actually problem is there, and the aim to resolve this problem is that to develop a system using artificial intelligence that will automate find to correct IPCBNS section and their punishment from a given FIR. This system will assist legal professional and law enforcement in processing FIR more efficiently. This system will automate basically this system will automate the whole process, um, by which the human error can be resolved, and uh, this will be a time efficient this will be time efficient for the employees, and the scope of this system is that the system will be able to analyze the text of FIR and find the appropriate IPC or BNS section regarding that particular complaint, that in a particular complaint what IPC or BNS section we can apply it will generate automatically. It will suggest the relevant punishment based on identification section while forced on while focused on the FIR. This technology could also be applied to other legal documents like charge sheet. It will support law enforcement, legal experts, and courts in handling cases more efficiently. Uh, so these are the scopes of this system. Now, implementation methodologies. How we can implement this system. For implementing this system, these are the following methodologies we can apply. The This involve the following steps are: first, the tokenization; second, named entity recognition, part of speech tagging, dependency parsing, IPCBNS identification, ranking and filtering, and the last is post processing. Now, uh, understanding this one by one about the tokenization, starting with the tokenization. Tokenization refers to the breaking down of FIR into the individual words or phrases to understand it better. Uh, whatever the complaint is given, breaking down it into individual words or phrase is referred as a tokenization. For this is done for the better understanding. Now, the second is named entity recognition. Named entity recognition refers to the identifying key names, places, dates, and other important legal terms in the FIR. For example, here, by taking the example, I will show you uh, what does it mean. For example, here, the example is that from our complaint, theft of my phone. This is we have broken this whole complaint in the short sentence and separate the all the sentences. This is, for theft of my phone. Then another is stolen by unknown person. Then we have separated the dates and the outfit of a theft, a black jacket and the scar. So in this way, this can be break down. This is used to identify the theft appearance, and this will consider as a named entity recognition. And the part of speech tagging, it refers to the recognizing the grammatical rules of each words. Example, noun verbs, to understand the structure of the FIR. It means that whatever the FIR is given, and that FIR make the sentence in that FIR makes sense or not, that they are grammatically correct or not. This can be refer as a step of a part of speech tagging. Now the another is dependency parsing. Dependency parsing means understanding how words related to each other, which helps in identifying the action and subjects involved in the FIR. uh, Simply it means the different word, how the words are related to each other, how they specify and identify, give the identification of another. These all. And the another is IPCBNS identification. Now this is one of the important step in which the FIR contained with a pre-built list of IPC section to find the most relevant legal codes. Whatever the FIR is given, it compares with the pre-built list of IPC section. On the basis of that comparison, it generates the FIR, what punishment can be given for that particular complaint. These all. And now another is the ranking and filtering. Ranking the identified section to determine which one are most applicable to the case. Now, after comparing the ranking and filtering process done, in this process, the topmost punishment that can be applied on the particular complaint is ranked and filtered on the pre-built list of IPC section. So this is how the complaint is selected for the punishment is selected, and the legal action is taken against that complaint or report. Now the last is post processing, a final check to ensure accuracy and remove any unnecessary information before presenting the result. So this is also one of the important step. It ensures that till and till the end user should remove and user should get the accurate information regarding his research. So the post processing step do this task, that the user should get the accurate information regarding his complaint. Now So this was all about how we can implement this methodology. So these are the following steps we can implement. Now the silent features of this system is automatic section identification, speed and efficiency. Automatic section identification means the system will automatically suggest IPC BNS section based on the FIR text. It means, as we know, we have already discussed that we want to generate an AI system that will automate the human task. So the its feature is that it automatically suggests IPC BNS section based on the FIR text. Whatever the complaint or report user will enter, it will give the appropriate punishment or the legal action, what action should be taken on that report automatically. Speed and efficiency, as we know, the by manually searching of any complaint takes a lot of time, and also there is a chances of a human error. This will increase the efficiency of this task, because this is automated task. So obviously the time will be time will be saved, and the error can be eliminated. So these are the features of this system. A deliverable payoff. Now the other is deliverable payoff. What does it mean, deliverable payoff? A working AI tool that can process FIRs and provide a list of the relevant IPC BNS section along with the associated punishment. A solution that help legal professionals save time and reduce the workload in the analyzing FIRs. Deliverable payoff means what can it deliver, and what can it pay off to the professionals. Already it is automating the task, so it is delivering a optimized solution for the task, because it will reduce the workload of analyzing the FIRs. So these are the following steps in this process. Now starting now coming on the flow chart, how we have already discussed the steps. Now we will see that how we can apply these steps apply these steps in our system through the coding. This will be understand in a next lecture. The video will be become a lengthy. So okay, thank you.